Welcome to Chibi Railroad Presents Anime Figure Profiles. I'm Mike Dettinger, the DCC Reanimator, and I will be your host. Tsujido Midori is the fifth figure in TomyTec's Tetsudou Musume Railway Uniform Collection Series, Volume 1, and another member of the Nippon Restaurant Enterprise Company Limited team. Tsujido is an Aquarius, born on February 13, 1987. Tsujido is a sports enthusiast and also an avid scuba diver. Tsujido works on the Shinjuku line on the E231 based green car Shonan. Please like and subscribe for more Tetsudou Musume figure profiles. Have a great day.